Good morning, student. Let us see chapter 2, sequence and series, M2 of paper M2. First we will see sequence. Let us see what is meant by sequence. A set of numbers which are arranged in definite order is called a sequence. म्हणजेच काय तर दिलेला नंबर हे दिलेल्या नंबरमध्ये एक विशिष्ट प्रकारची ऑर्डर असते. अशा नंबर्सला आपण काय म्हणतो सिक्वेन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 21 like this is a sequence. Why? Because you will observe that the difference between two consecutive number is 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 11, 3. 17 minus 14, 3. 21 here 20. 20 minus 17, 3. So here the numbers are arranged in definite order. Therefore these numbers are arranged in definite order. That's why these numbers are called as sequence, isn't it? In general, a sequence is written as T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, Tn minus 1, Tn, where T1 is first term and Tn is nth term of the sequence, isn't it? Now there are two types of sequence. One, finite sequence. A sequence containing finite number of terms is called as finite sequence. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 98. This is a finite sequence. Is a finite sequence. Second, infinite sequence. A sequence containing infinite or uncountable number of terms is called as infinite sequence. Example: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 up to infinity. A sequence that follow specific pattern are called progression. Progression. For example, here this is the sequence. Here the specific pattern is 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, like this, plus 2 plus 2. The next number is greater than previous number by 2 here. That is the specific pattern observed here. That's why this is called as progression, isn't it? Now there are two types of progression. Arithmetic progression. You have studied in 10th standard arithmetic progression. A R I T H M E T I C arithmetic. Progression arithmetic progression that you have studied in 10th standard, which is shortly denoted as AP. Now we define arithmetic progression. In a sequence if the difference between two consecutive consecutive term, that is Tn plus 1 minus Tn is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. That is AP. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 is AP because difference is equal to 2 here, isn't it? 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Isn't it? And so on. Therefore, difference is same. Therefore, this is called as arithmetic progression. If difference is constant, means 2 means constant, then such numbers are called as arithmetic progression. Such numbers are in arithmetic progression, isn't it? If T1, T2, T3, T4 to Tn are in AP, then Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to D, constant. The difference between two consecutive terms is constant for all n. Hence, sequence can also be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, like this. Then this sequence is in AP. If given sequence numbers are in AP, then its nth term is given by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is equal to first term, that is T1, and D is equal to common difference, that is Tn plus 1 minus Tn, isn't it? Also, sum of n terms, that is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus Tn is equal to summation r is equal to 1 to n Tr is denoted by Sn, and Sn is equal to sum of n term is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D, where A is equal to first term, is T1, and D is equal to common difference. By using these two formulae, we can find the sum of first n, we can find the nth term of given AP and sum of first n term of given arithmetic progression. But this you have studied in 10th standard. Therefore, we will not solve problem on this. In this year, we are going to learn about geometric progression, that we will see in coming video. This is the just revision for you, isn't it? Now we will see the actual part we have to study in this chapter, that is geometric progression, isn't it? Let us see about geometric progression. Geometric progression. Which is denoted by GP. How we define geometric progression is as follows. A sequence T1, T2, T3, T4, Tn is GP geometric progression if the common ratio that is Tn plus 1 upon Tn is equal to R, constant. If common ratio is constant, then given sequence is a GP. Hence, a geometric GP can also be written as A AR AR square AR cube AR raised to power 4 up to AR raised to power n minus 1. This is the nth term. For example, two, 4, 8, 16, 32 is GP. Why? Common ratio. Let us see common ratio. Common ratio 4 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 16 upon 8 is equal to 32 upon 16 is equal to 2, constant. Here common ratio is equal to constant. That is 2. Therefore, given numbers are in GP, isn't it? This is GP. Now, nth term of GP is given by Tn is equal to A into R raised to power n minus 1. This is the formula for finding the nth term of GP, where A is equal to first term, that is T1, and R is equal to common ratio. So, by using this formula, we can find nth term of given GP. Now, sum of first n terms of GP is denoted by Sn and given by Sn is equal to A in bracket 1 minus R raised to power n upon 1 minus r. By using this formula, we can find the sum of first nth term. That is T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn. That is summation r is equal to 1 to n. Tr is denoted by Sn. This sum can be found by using this formula, isn't it? Remaining we will see in coming video.